In the previous episodes, we explored how Nano Banana can generate infographics and even use real-time data to turn information into visuals. But there's another capability we haven't explored yet, and that is style. Most people assume that AI-generated infographics will always look simple or basic. But with the right prompts, Nano Banana can generate infographics that look cinematic, polished, and visually striking. So in this video, we're going to explore how to control the visual style of AI-generated infographics and turn them into something that looks much closer to a professional design. Section 1. Why style matters. When we create infographics, we're not just communicating information, we're also communicating visual tone. For example, a classroom infographic might look colorful and friendly. A technology infographic might look futuristic and minimal. And a business infographic might use clean layouts and neutral colors. If we don't describe the style in the prompt, the AI will simply guess. But when we clearly specify the design direction, the results become much more consistent. Section 2. Example. Cinematic AI infographic. Let's start with a simple example. Instead of asking the AI to generate a basic infographic, we can guide it toward a cinematic style. For example, a prompt might look like this. Create a cinematic infographic explaining how AI agents work. Include sections for input, decision, action, and result. Use a futuristic visual style with glowing icons and a dark technology theme. When Nano Banana generates the image, the infographic becomes more than just a diagram. It starts to feel like a visual explanation designed for a presentation or a video. The colors, icons, and layout all contribute to the storytelling. And this is where AI-generated visuals become much more powerful. Section 3. Using visual hierarchy. Another important concept in infographic design is visual hierarchy. This simply means that the viewer should immediately understand what information is most important. For example, the title should be large, the sections should be clearly separated, and icons should guide the viewer's attention. When writing prompts, you can include instructions like use a clear visual hierarchy, use simple icons, use short labels. These instructions help the AI produce graphics that are easier to read and understand. And if you enjoy experimenting with AI tools like this, you might also want to explore the AI TLDR school community. Inside the community, you'll find quick tutorials, downloadable prompt packs, experiments with AI image generation, discussions about real creative workflows. If that sounds interesting? You can find the AI TLDR community link in the description. Now let's continue with a few more examples. Section 4. Different infographic styles. One of the most useful things about AI-generated graphics is that you can quickly experiment with different styles. For example, you could generate a futuristic technology infographic, a colorful educational infographic, or a minimalist business infographic. The structure of the information might stay the same, but the visual style changes completely. This allows creators to adapt the same content for different audiences. For example, students might prefer a colorful educational style, while professionals might prefer a clean and minimal design. Section 5. Why this matters for AI content. This becomes especially powerful when creating videos or visual explanations. Instead of manually designing graphics, you can generate multiple infographic styles quickly and choose the one that communicates the idea most clearly. For creators, educators, and marketers, this means AI can act as a visual design assistant. You describe the structure and the style, and the AI builds the visual layout. And in the next videos, we're going to start applying these ideas to more practical examples. We'll explore how AI-generated infographics can be used to create real-world visual assets, such as menus, product boards, information displays. So the key idea from this episode is simple. Infographics are not just about data, they're also about visual storytelling. And with the right prompts, Nano Banana can generate infographics that look far more polished and cinematic than many people expect. By controlling the structure, the style, and the layout, you can turn simple information into visuals that are clear, engaging, and ready for content creation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI TLDR tutorials and experiments. And if you want to go deeper into prompt workflows, AI experiments and creative AI tools, you can also join the AI TLDR school community. Inside, you'll find tutorials, prompt packs, community discussions, and weekly updates focused on turning AI learning into real creative workflows. You can find the link to the community in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.